The Event Management Service of Service Catalog Manager collects specific events generated by an application during its operation. The application sends the events to the Event Management interface of Service Catalog Manager. Events can be used as a basis for price models, billing, and reporting. In the sample application, events for creating private and business appointments are defined. The application generates a corresponding event each time a user creates an appointment. We will show you how to import predefined event classes which prepare events and send them to Service Catalog Manager. And we will show you how to implement the recording and storage of events. For this purpose, you will copy some Java classes to your Eclipse workspace. The table bean Java class has been adapted to enable the recording and storage of events. Finally, you will compile and deploy the adapted sample application. The following steps show how to import the required event classes. The Integration Starter Kit provides two predefined classes for events. They send events via web service call to the Event Management Service of Service Catalog Manager. Another Java class is used to record and store events. Copy the BSS folder to the Java SRC folder in your Eclipse workspace. The BSS folder contains the events calendar and connection impl packages with the event classes calendar events Java and event handler Java, and some service factory classes. The event classes are required for sending events from the Integration Starter Kit to your Eclipse workspace. Copy the adapted table bean Java class to the com calendar cal package of the Java SRC folder in your Eclipse workspace, replacing the existing file. The table bean Java class has been adapted for recording and storing events. Copy the three classes of the com calendar util package into the project. It is two modified classes and one new class. Copy the libbes folder, including two Service Catalog Manager specific jar files, into the project folder. The next step shows how to compile the adapted sample application and deploy it in Tomcat. Copy the prepared build file from the Integration Starter Kit to your Eclipse workspace. Open the build file. Adapt the tomcat.web app path of your Tomcat installation, and save your changes. To compile and deploy the adapted sample application in Tomcat, run the build file. The following example shows which adaptations have been made in the sample application in order to implement the event management. An event call can be placed anywhere in your source code, and it is your decision for which kind of events you want to charge your customers. In the sample application, there are two events the customer can be charged for, namely the creation of business or private appointments. The Event Handler Java class is a generic event handler in the interface between the application and the platform. The Calendar Events Java class manages the events. Open the table bean Java class. This class is responsible for adding an entry to the XML file after an appointment has been added to the calendar. The send event request method and the subsequent methods are responsible for recording the event and sending it to Service Catalog Manager. The sending event CTMG method of the calendar events Java class is called from here. The sending event CTMG method in turn calls the event handler Java class, which sends the event with 3 parameters to Service Catalog Manager. The event parameters must be specified in the technical service definition.